Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand Solver add-in in Excel. Solver is an add-in tool used for optimization and solving complex problems involving multiple variables, constraints, and an objective function. It's particularly helpful in scenarios where you need to find the optimal values of certain cells that maximize, minimize, or achieve a specific target for a particular cell while considering certain constraints. Solver can handle various types of problems, including linear programming, nonlinear optimization, and more. It works by adjusting the values in specific cells within a defined range to find the optimal solutions that meets the specified criteria. Now, let's take one case study in Excel. A company has awarded an employee with a gift voucher of 2,500. Now, he wants to utilize this gift voucher fully. So, when he goes in the mall, he finds that the shoes are costing 900, jersey is costing 325, trousers are costing 450, pants are costing 425. And and when the quantity purchased is 111 of all of them, this amounts to 2100. So the purchase is to be done in such a way of these items that this total amount is equal to the gift voucher, and the employee is able to utilize this gift voucher completely. So for this, we will require the solver add-in, which can optimize this. So we will have to load this. So we'll go in File, Options, Add-ins, click on Solver add-in, go. Make sure that the solver is on, click OK. As soon as I click on Solver, this tab will be available in the data. You can see here. So we'll start with the objective. What is our objective? Our objective is maximizing this amount. So set the objective D6 to maximize by changing what? By changing variable cells, by the changing the quantity in which the purchase is being done, subject to constraints. So we'll have to impose some constraints. So press add. When this cell reference value becomes equal to the constraint, that is a gift voucher, the iteration should stop. Add. The items which are purchased, they should be purchased, that is the quantity should be more than 0. Now why we are imposing this restriction? The reason is it may give the solution in negative, which we don't want. So this cell reference value should be either greater than or equal to 0. Add. The solution should not be given in the decimal. So it's necessary that the solution is an integer. So select it again, and from here activate integer, press OK. So the three constraints have been imposed. Make sure that you activate simplex LP here, solve. We got the answer. So if the jersey is purchased in the quantity of 5, trousers 1, pants 1, we will be able to utilize this gift voucher completely. Let's make this problem more complex. Let's impose some more restriction that any item should not be purchased in the quantity more than 3. So if the skip solver solution is on, and if I press OK, this will be retained. And if I press restore the original values, so again we will be on the same problem. So keep OK. Now I want to impose some more restriction. So I'll go in solver, add. This value should be less than 3. The quantity purchased should not exceed more than 3. Any item should not be purchased in the quantity more than 3. Click add. 3, add 3, add 3. Okay. Now press on solve. So we have got the different solution now. Shoes 1, jersey 1, pants 3. So this solution is quite appropriate. Keep solver solution. If I click OK, the solution will be retained. You can click on answer, click OK, and you can see the entire iteration process also from here. The variable cells, the constraints, and this is the optimal solution which you got. So this was all about using solver add-in in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded tutorials on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias, link given in the description box.